Meet the universe's most overconfident atom. Okay, pop quiz. What makes up roughly 75% of all the matter in the observable universe? Gold? Nope. Oxygen? Wrong again. Dark matter? Close, but no. It's hydrogen. Element number one, atomic number one. One proton, one electron. Basically, the universe's way of saying, I'll start simple and see how it goes. And somehow, this tiny, embarrassingly simple atom is responsible for stars, water, and your entire existence. We'll get to that. First, let's talk about how we even figured out this little guy existed. The guy who named it after water it can't even drink alone. It's 1766. Henry Cavendish, a British scientist who was famous for being extremely rich, extremely brilliant, and extremely terrible at talking to people, is messing around with metals and acids in his lab. He notices a weird gas being released. It burns. It's lighter than air. He calls it inflammable air. Very creative, Henry. Then comes Antoine Lavoisier, the Frenchman who had a much better PR team. And in 1783, he properly identifies the gas and names it hydrogen from the Greek. Hydro meaning water and genes meaning maker. Water maker. Because when hydrogen burns, it literally produces water, which is either poetic or terrifying depending on how much chemistry you know. Fun historical footnote. Lavoisier was later guillotined during the French Revolution. The judge reportedly said, "The Republic has no need of scientists." History's most expensive chemistry lesson. Here's the thing nobody talks about at dinner parties. You are mostly hydrogen. About 60% of the atoms in your body, by count, are hydrogen atoms. You are not a sophisticated human being. You are, at a fundamental level, a very complicated collection of hydrogen atoms that somehow developed opinions about pizza toppings. And it gets better. The hydrogen in your body, it's been around for 13.8 billion years. It was forged in the Big Bang itself. The hydrogen atoms in your body are literally as old as the universe. You're not young, you're ancient. Your morning shower water, hydrogen that survived the death of multiple stars before ending up in your shampoo. No pressure. Here's the thing nobody talks about at dinner parties. You are mostly hydrogen. About 60% of the atoms in your body, by count, are hydrogen atoms. Okay, imagine tomorrow morning you wake up and hydrogen is just gone. Poof. No more hydrogen in the universe. Within the first second, water ceases to exist. Every ocean, every river, every glass of water, gone. Your cells, which are 70% water, collapse instantly. You don't get to panic, you just stop. Within minutes, every star in the universe shuts off. Stars run on hydrogen fusion. No hydrogen, no fusion, no light, no warmth. The sky goes permanently dark, except we wouldn't be alive to see it anyway, so minor detail. Organic chemistry, dead. Most biological molecules need hydrogen bonds to hold their shape. DNA, gone. Proteins, gone. Your instructions for being alive, dissolved. The universe without hydrogen is basically just a very large, cold, dark room with no one in it, which honestly sounds like a Monday morning without coffee, which also contains hydrogen, so same thing. All right, let's bring it back to Earth. Where does hydrogen actually show up in your daily life? Number one, water. H2O. 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. You drink hydrogen every day and don't even thank it. Rude. Number 2, fuel. Hydrogen fuel cells are being used in cars, buses, and eventually airplanes. You burn hydrogen, you get water vapor out the exhaust, a car that poops water. The future is weird. Number 3, food. The food industry uses a process called hydrogenation to turn liquid oils into solid fats. That's how you get margarine. which means hydrogen is responsible for both your salad dressing and the reason your doctor looks at you sideways. Number 4, the Hindenburg disaster of 1937. They filled a giant airship with hydrogen, which we now know burns extremely enthusiastically, and let it near a spark. 36 people died. It was tragic. Hydrogen has since switched to a more neutral PR strategy. So there you have it. Element number 1, hydrogen. 1 proton. No neutrons in its most common form. 0 drama about its structure. But absolutely infinite drama in everything else it does. It built the stars. It built the water. It built you. And somehow it still doesn't have a Wikipedia article longer than a B-list celebrity. Next episode, helium. The element that makes your voice funny, lifts your balloons, and is running out faster than anyone wants to talk about. It's going to get weird. See you then.